Hello, I am Raphael Odo Oche, and I am a 3D animator, motion graphic artist, graphic designer, and a video editor. I am the founder of Raph Concepts, which is my official brand name on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. In this video, we are going to be discussing or we are going to be hammering on the importance and why you should choose video marketing over any other type of social media marketing. Believe me or not, video marketing have come to dominate the online market, and I know you might be asking, why am I watching this video? In fact, this video is not for me because I am not into video marketing. Yes, everybody loves videos. In fact, Google loves video. So imagine if you learn the art of video editing or as a skill, you know how much you will be earning. But this video is not all about how you can earn from it. This video is all about how you are going to know about the importance and the reason why you should focus more on video marketing instead of writing lengthy copies that people barely read. In fact, in the year 2023, Google released a statistical data that over $8.3 billion alone was spent on video content creation. You can see how huge the money, and it is because the only content people want to consume nowadays is the video content. Most brands that knows the secret, that knows the secret ingredient to boost their brand online, focus their attention more on video content instead of them paying for sales copy that converts little or no sales. They focus their attention more on creating videos, and video content really skyrocket websites and brands that create advertisement videos. Don't worry, in this video, we are going to be eating everything you need to know about video content creation. Yes, why you need to choose video marketing over any other form of marketing online. So stay with me because we are starting immediately. Welcome back. It is nice having you again. Now, still here. All right, let's keep up immediately with the number one benefit of video marketing over any other type of social media marketing. Number one of it is that video boosts trust. Seeing a real person talk on camera creates authenticity. The facial expression, the voice tone, and the body language when shooting videos most of the time makes the message feel honest and relatable, which in turn helps people trust the brand faster. Number two of it is video boosts conversion and sales. Videos can show products and services in action, and you will agree with me that when people see what they want in action, they feel more confident buying it. And it is this confidence that they see that makes them purchase from you, which in turn makes video marketing top among any other type of social media marketing. And number three, Google loves videos. Video content increases the time people spend on a particular website, and the way Google algorithm is designed for video content, which is why whenever Google discovers that SEO discovers that you have a lot of video content on your website, they drive more traffic to you, which in turn brings a lot of conversions for you. So Google loves video. If you're a type of person that loves video, then your page will blow up. with a lot of traffic. At number 4, video marketing can explain anything. Yes. This reminds me about a post I saw on Facebook. The poster said this. It said, if I am given an excellent flyer and a good video to choose in between, which should I use for my marketing? I would choose the good video over the excellent flyer, which is true. Because with videos, seminars have been broken down, product descriptions can be seen in action, sales copy can be seen in action, explainer videos, marketing videos, and a whole lot of others have been broken down to understandable terms that will make your buyer trust and believe in you. So videos can explain anything. I mean anything, and I mean anything. At number 5, videos appeals to smartphone users. Yes, gone are the days when you see people sit down before a cinema to watch movie, or sit down before a television to watch movies. But nowadays, our smartphone has been designed to carry any type of movies we want to watch, any picture we want to see. It is durable and easy to handle. So smartphone users find their screen very easy and durable for them to use in such a way that it is fast for them to just click the play button and they watch the video fast, and full time they are done with the videos. With these, video content thrive more with smartphone users. So you have seen the reason why I think video marketing have come to stay in the online market. So if you are not using videos as your marketing strategy in your brand, then you are making a whole lot of mistakes. Please sit down and rethink. At number 6, we have video can engage even the laziest buyer. Yes, you will agree with me. This is self-explanatory. A lot of people, in fact 95% of people in the world now pretend watching videos over a lengthy text of sales copy or blog or whatever you might have it, or any form of copywriting, where they prefer playing a video. In fact, the laziest buyer, when he watches any advertisement video or explainer video, his attention is always on it. So videos appeal to the laziest buyer in the world. Alright, so now let's highlight all the benefits of video marketing over any other type of marketing. Like I said earlier, I said video builds trust. Video boosts conversions and sales. Google loves videos. Video marketing can explain everything. Video appeals to smartphone users, and video can engage even the laziest buyer. So now, I want us to take this video into another level. Imagine if you learn the skill of editing videos like a professional. Like imagine you become a 3D animator. With the way video marketing is topping every other type of social media marketing, that means you will be taking care of financial problems in the year 2020. Which is why I have created this video, because I have a 3D motion graphic course which focuses more on video editing, on how you can get started with your video editing journey in the year 2020. The course has been on grant for over 3 years now, and I've been selling it to people at a very high rate, but due to one or two, I have told myself I'll be giving it out for 72 hours for free on YouTube here. So all you have to do is hit the subscribe button right now, because the course is only free to my subscribers. And let me make it open to you. After 72 hours, if you are not done consuming all the models, I will strike out the free assets and it will return back to the paid assets. So all you have to do, quickly hit the subscribe button immediately subscribe, and you will be granted access to watch all the modules from module 1 till module 12. So, I've given you everything I had to give just for a little token of whenever you want to watch it. Alright, so thank you for watching, and like I said from the beginning, I remain Raphael Onu-Ochen, founder and the CEO of Raph Conference, where people learn, where they earn, and they teach others to earn more. You are welcome, and see you in another tutorial video. Bye.